sometimes what I'll do is add a few little sort of incidental rolls in there. So listen to the difference. Here's without the roll one more time. Nice and clean. Here's with a roll for a little bit more drive. So you can hear the difference. It's kind of a matter of personal preference. If you want a real clean melody, you can just do it without the extra roll notes. If you want a little bit more drive, you can add sort of a rolling pattern in there. So let's also go over the chords to this song real quick, because there's a few more than just your standard 1, 4, 5. One more time. So this is the roll exercise I was talking about. You can see it incorporates some forward rolls, some reverse rolls, and not only does it have you going in the key of G on the low strings, it gets you up here on the 12th fret into some rolls. So this is just an example about how rolls might be used in like a bluegrass tune. Let's say we're going to be chopping in the key of C. We'll pick a nice chord right here in the middle of the neck, and we place our bar there. And what we do is the pinch chop, it's like a pinch chord. You can try this chord. I'm using the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th strings, just like this. And instead of letting them ring out, I'm going to lift the bar up off the strings just a little bit to create a muted sound. Sort of like that. And then basically I do the same thing in G here on the 5th fret. It's a real common pattern. And then that's going up to the A chord here. And then that's on the lowest string. And to get those double stops, even on the lowest 2 strings, I'm using these 2 fingers. So that's all in the key of D. I've got a couple here that are in E. So if you were to bar the 2nd fret straight across, make sure you're using enough pressure so there's not a lot of buzzing. And this is E. So that's a nice little exercise in E where you're barring this 2nd fret.